What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing some blind boxes, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today, alright, so let's get started on box. So let's see. I just want the Sunny Angel of Happy Birthday. So I bought for my quinceañera yesterday. Come on. Whoa. No way. No way. They got the authentic one. Instead of the fake ones, we're going to use the real ones. So that is pretty beautiful. Second unboxing blind box. I should get boba, or I should get Oreo. I should get ice cream, I believe. It better be an Oreo. No, it better be ice cream. Whoa. What? We got boba! We got boba! Whoa! Let's unbox the third blind box. Let's go. I wonder if it's gonna be ice cream or teriyaki. It better be not. What no way. I'm putting this away. I'm gonna give it to another girl. Cheesy, but we'll keep the boba. So that's good. Oh, third unboxing blind box. Whoa. We got the unicorn one. Whoa, look at that. So awesome. I have the third blind box. Oh, whoa. Cool. I like that. Anyways, so let's open the Zozo Yo-Yo. Let's open that one. I love Zozo Yo-Yo. I love that one. I wonder we're gonna do the second drive is golden kiwi or not. Let's get it. I wonder why. Whoa. We've got the sweet peach. Now, I wonder why if I'm gonna choose these or not. It's a Christmas thing. Yeah! Fourth blind box. I wonder if I'm gonna choose this. Oh! Oh! All right, so we're gonna open that one and let's. Wow! I like that one. All right. So we're gonna open the next blind box. Woo! Got that one. I love it. Another one to open it, so let's get it. Hi, I'm gonna open the cinnamon roll. So it better be cinnamon roll or it better be not. Believe it or not. Believe it or not, baby. Let's check this one out. Check it out, baby. It better be cinnamon roll. Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty! It's Hello Kitty! Ha ha ha! We're gonna open this blind box. Ha! We're gonna open that one. Yay! Whoa! It's Chromie! Alright, oh, let's open this one. 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 Let's open. Oh wait, let's open. Ah, come on. Oh. Whoa! Opening this hamper. I'm excited. Are you crazy? Let's open this one. Here I come. It better be Cinnamoroll, or it better be Hello My Melody, or Cinnamoroll, or Pacheco, whatever it is. Oh, let's see what we get. Whoa! We got Cinnamoroll! Whoa! Let's open this one. Yeah. What I got? It's cute. I love it. Let's see this one. It better be using like this if I need this, depending on that. So let's open that. Oh boy, I can't believe I'm excited. Oh boy, I love MINISO. And we're gonna open this Pacheco. Yay! And let's see if I want the main one, please. Next blind box. Dolphin. I want to choose like Hatsune Miku. Maybe if I choose some of these, I'm gonna choose Hatsune Miku. Now I'm giving this to another girl. No way. Alright, let's open, I should choose Cutie. Let's go. Let's open this one. Cutie, here I come. I love Cutie. It's a baby Sunny Angels. It's similar to Sunny Angels. Wait You tilted head version. Better be cool and better. Oh! Whoa, thanks, cool. We're opening Cupid ring. Wow. Alright, let's open it anyway. So that's too repetitive. Well done. Deep feeling. Giving this to another girl because I already have one here. Sorry about that. And better open that one. B or BB. And I am gonna choose on that. Here you go. Let's open it. We got the blue bear. What this means top toy. Woo! Open. Oh. Whoa! We got the pink one. Yeah! I'm about to open this one. Stop! We got the elephant. Let's open this one. Bingo! And let's open the panda one. Let's open it. Oh! Whoa, where can I open it? Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Let's open it. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching, for opening blind boxes, and subscribe to more for my YouTube channel, okay? Bye!